Hey, what's up, guys? It's BRX9 here, and today I'm going to be doing part 3 of opening Pokemon. Alright, so yeah, let's start. So lower this a little bit. Alright. So, I've got the Pokemon thing here. And, yeah, let's get started. I'm doing a video. Okay. So, guys, we're gonna get this film angle. Alright. So first, here. We don't need that. Let's see the cards.
Complaining to John.
Binnacle, I don't know. There, that. I got Snubble. Right there, 50 damage.
The book bag's in the room, I think.
10 damage, that's not very good, but okay. Snivy. Not good. It's 10 damage, that's it. Hopefully I'll get more. I think this might be 40 because I think it says plus here. I think it's plus to health. I have no idea. Unless it's just 10. But that 20. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. It's oh, that's funny. I got the same card twice, but one's a hologram and one's not. See? And then I think this one's, I think if there's no number at the bottom, it's the same as the health. So I think this does 70 damage. Leave it in the comments if you know. Rotom, I think his name is Rotom. Loudred, 50 damage. Trainer. And then the stage 1, 100 health. I think it's 60, or it does 80 damage. I have no clue. Or it does I don't know. I think it's 60 or 80. Because also it would be a humongous number if it was 60 times 20. Alright, so that's that thing. I'll do a little overlook. I'll show you all the cards again. Alright, so Loudred, Warmadum, Trainer, Hologram Binnacle, non-hologram Binnacle, Rotom, Gothita, Snivy, Solosis, and last one, Snubble. Alright, so put that aside over here, take this garbage. Okay, so now you guys are gonna come right here, I think. Next pack will be 10 edition game cards, the evolution pack, but with the Pikachu on it. Or what? Or, yeah, I think that's a Pikachu. It looks weird, but I think it is a Pikachu, but it just looks weird. Alright.
To save $100,
I don't need that. Ooh, I feel this pack is gonna be good. Yes. Yes, guys. Yes. This is good. Okay, this pack is really good. I haven't got that energy in a long time. Okay. So first one, Tangela. He does 50 damage. He's okay. Alright. Voltorb. I think it's 10 damage.
you too tired to go out.
Why don't you go outside, Daisy?
Pink energy that I haven't gotten in a while.
Go grab it. Go ahead.
She's so
Onyx.
tired.
40 damage. Hey, why are you so tired? 70 damage, I think. It says plus. Hologram. Coughing. 10 damage. I think it's 40 damage because it doesn't have a number at the bottom. Clefairy. Hologram. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys can see the hologram, but the trainer. And trainer. Okay, so yeah, that was all of, I think that was part 3. Yeah, that was part 3. I said in the beginning, so, yeah, and, it's really cool. So I'll go over all the cards again. So, trainer, Clefairy, hologram, coughing, hologram, stereo, Onyx, energy, Voltorb, Tangela. Alright, so those are all the cards I got in this pack. So, yeah. And, that's gonna be it for today. Peace out, guys. Yes. So, my name is BRX9, so you don't have to scroll down or scroll up or rewind the video. Peace out.
Peace, bro.